Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to boost volume in the Spotify mobile app. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To boost volume in Spotify, there are a few things you can try. Obviously, make sure your device's volume is turned up with the volume buttons, and be careful when boosting the volume to prevent damage to your speakers or hearing. Open Spotify now and tap on your profile icon in the top left and then choose Settings and Privacy. Within here, select Playback from the list, and then look for where it says Equalizer. Tap on this and turn it on, and you might find that the volume is boosted slightly if you choose the sound profile called Vocal Booster, which is at the bottom. Try this out and head back a page, and now look for the option called Enable Audio Normalization. Turn on this toggle switch and then try selecting the option called Loud. See if these options have increased the volume. That's how to boost volume in the Spotify mobile app. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.